So you did. Yeah, call.
Stranger danger.
I'm no stranger. Y'all, I know y'all remember who I am.
Welcome back, YouTube. It's cold out here today. I don't know if y'all knew what that woo-wee means, but that woo-wee means it's cold out here today. I'm so hilarious to myself, but yeah, we don't got much to do today. Pretty much just winterizing things, making sure everything's shut down for the winter. So yeah, we probably gonna get the drone up and show y'all some of the clearing. I'm gonna go ahead and feed the horses this morning. Might be a short episode, just show y'all kind of what we do on the daily. This Sal, y'all. Don't it look big? Got his night shining. Put a smile on your face. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Little desensitization training. Don't need him nervous. Just imagine we go on one of them trail rides. Y'all know y'all like to cut up in them trail rides. But yeah, he'd be used to it. It's drunk behavior.
Okay. So here is the story between me and Casey. Cause I love Casey. I would ride him. It's no problem. It's just when I get on him, it always becomes a problem for some odd reason. I don't know why. So I allow Steve to ride his horse because he's more of an expert than I am. You know, I just
What you lying
stay
about?
from I'm not lying. I'm just
It's
letting
almost like Casey knows that Kyn is scared of him.
I wouldn't say scared per se. More like cautious, you know.
Kyn said, I see y'all put shoes on Sal. Sal done had shoes for about a month. it's almost time for a reset. If you ride, you know, reset 6 weeks.
I've been
get
grinding hard. I've been from sun up to sundown.
It's amazing, but you see me riding the horse.
Because that day I seen you ride the horse. I don't know what I was doing, but I knew I was sitting down chilling.
Chilling. I wasn't chilling. I was working sun up to sundown. I actually worked before sun up to sundown every day.
That's cool. Okay. Every day. I must have either had just got off work or something, because I know I sat down. I was like, whew, let me sit down.
So if I'm out here, I just got off work.
It was like 5 o'clock when I seen you ride.
That's what time I just got off work.
It must have been a Sunday.
No.
I don't know what day it was.
I working hard and I said, you know what, I ain't rode them all week. Let me get on. I ain't want to ride. But guess what I did? I got on them and I rode. All right, y'all. We gonna get us some. Oh snap! Let me turn that back. We're gonna go get us some drone footage.
Home points updated.
Thanks.
We're gonna go get some drone footage.
Not familiar. This is P3 right here. Basically took out some clumps of trees that were in the middle of the pasture. Pretty much allowed us to open up our grazing. With the grazing, we also went back and took back some encroachment in the woods. So all of this area right here was kind of encroaching, was really encroaching, I guess you would say. Trees getting out. It wasn't nothing but small saplings, but yeah, we took that time to reclaim this land. Like you say, grass grows pounds and trees grow nothing. So yeah, got P3 cleared. Picked up a couple acres in P3. After we got P3 cleared, or before, well, we just, as we show you all, we got a little bit of P4. This is our sacrifice paddock. Future plans may to be subdividing this into 2 pastures. But right now, we started our clearing right here. Got a little land open. Didn't take all the trees out, but what we wanted to do was, you know, open it up enough so that sun can hit the ground. You can kind of see our harrow marks where we planted our winter annuals, kind of to supplement some of that runoff. All right. After that, also in our sacrifice paddock, like I was saying, we were thinking about subdividing it. We got more of that cleared. As you can see, it's winter time right now, so all the cows are already in the sacrifice paddock and we are feeding hay. So hopefully that works. But all in all, we opened up about 8 more acres of ground. 8 more acres of ground grows more cows. More cows equal more profit. More profit equals more expenses, because we just spend the money that we get on the farm. So yeah, it's right there, Ken.
I see it.
Y'all see how fresh I be? Hold on, let me step out here. Check me out now. Check me out.
Fit
Okay.
Check,
Fit check. Oh, wrong way. Okay, come back this way.
Them boots alone is probably like $300.
No, these cheap boots. Okay. Fit check, boot tucked in. That mean we ain't doing much work today. Okay. Look at the jeans. Wranglers on me. Wranglers on my body. You know what I'm saying? Step up. Oh my goodness. Is that Moore's Farm merch? Is that Moore's Farm merch? How do y'all get that? How do you get the Moore's Farm merch? Oh, surprise. We're going retro with it. We're going retro with it. If you know the retro logo.
Yeah, if you know, you know.
If you know, you know. That's the retro. But, you know.
Wait, get my fit.
Huh?
Get my fit.
Get your fit.
If you don't mind.
Let me zoom out.
Can they see me?
Hold on. All right. Now let's see here. Let's see what Kyn wearing. Let's get him.
Boots from Academy Sports.
Boots from Academy Sports.
Pants from my cousin.
Pants from his cousin.
Bill, I don't know. I've been having this for years and years and years.
Years and years and years.
Morris Farms hoodie.
Okay, he got Morris Farm. Oh, Morris Farms coat. Okay.
Morris Farms beanie.
Beanie. Oh.
Gloves from Mr. JP.
Gloves from Mr. JP.
This is fit if you ask. This is 10 out of 10 if you ask me.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
That's a real clean fit. I did no work. Look at him. Let's look at him again.
It's a I'm finna do work fit.
Look at him.
You see?
No. All right, so we wrecked it. Definitely wrecked it. I'm still not the best flyer yet. Y'all know what I'm saying? Check us out.
Yeah, so like I was saying,
Fit trash, clean fit, never did no work. Me on the other hand, little dirty. Little dirty. It's cold out here.
You
Alright.
can wear this coat anywhere. To the club.
To the club.
store.
I wear my cloak to the club.
I don't do clubs, but I will. I mean, if I would go to the clubs, I would wear this coat to the club.
That man definitely clubs.
I don't do clubs. Hey world, it's me again, Kyn. Rocking my Morris Swarm coat, Morris Swarm hoodie, Morris Swarm beanie. Get at me for the deals.
I'm sure that was bad audio we had of the drone footage.
Probably was.
That's gonna be me trying to narrate and fly the drone and show y'all what's going on. And then that was also take 2 because the first time I did that we didn't record it. So either way.
But I'm back to make sure everything alright. Like a sidekick. I'm like your sidekick.
No, if Kyn was my sidekick, this battle would be lost.
No, you.
Cause Kyn never shows up. That's crazy.
That's why I said I'm back.
You back?
I gotta make sure everything.
He always back. He ain't never here, but he always back. So for him to always be back, that means he always not here. Right?
Correct. You more like a Batman. I'm more like a Dorado.
No. No. Alright, but yeah, it's gonna be a quick day. We appreciate y'all for watching, man. We just wanted to show you some horses. Showed y'all a little desensitization with my boy Sal this morning. We fed up a little bit. Showed some land clearing, but other than that, like I say, I just want to stay more consistent on the channel, man. And even though this video may be 5 minutes, if it's 5 minutes, but if it's 5 minutes, see, voice cracking. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. See y'all next time. Don't be a stranger, man. View us more often.